This is Cody Blair and this is my bike check. Back wheel is an Odyssey V3 wheel or Odyssey wheel, I'm not sure what it's called. V3 hub cassette, sounds amazing, super strong, sounds great. Kink BMX pegs, stock United cranks, 23 tooth Federal light sprocket gold, KMC cool chain, 9 tooth driver, gusset Slim Jim pedals, S&M seat clamp, stock United rail seat. I'm hoping to get a pivotal one soon. United recruit frame. Sunday morning 2.1 forks. Proper Magnolite front wheel. Animal ASM tires, front and back. Very slippery in the rain. We the People helium bars. Very light, strong, good bars. I used to have Aaron Ross grips, the signature ones, but they tore. They're not very good grips. I would recommend you get the Federal Battle grips. They're super soft and they're nice, and they glow in the dark if you get that option. Sunday stem cap, United headset, cranks bottom bracket, post seat. So my bike check, bike weighs in at 22 pounds, pretty light, strong, and takes a hell of a beating.